Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christy from Bannon & Company. It is Tuesday, May 3rd. I'm going to go over the markets with you. It looks like a little bit of a reversal day as you came in here to these markets, all starting substantially higher to start off the day. So you actually got new highs into the soybean contracts there, and then by the soft opening or the official opening around 8:30, a little bit after that, you started to see these markets start to sell off, and what you had was the dollar kind of reverse. So the dollar was down about 80 cents, came back to being up 20 cents, so about a full dollar move for that US dollar, and that put enough pressure on these grains that you saw kind of some sellers come out of the woodwork and aggressively sell these markets. The one that was, the most damaging was the wheat market, down 12 to 18 cents on the day. Soybeans down 13 cents on your front contracts, deferred not down quite as much, and then corn was down 10 to 12 points, or 10 to 12 cents. So pretty much you took corn and wheat from the top end of the range to the bottom end of the range in a matter of a day trade. So pretty aggressive trade there. Soybeans still well above that $10 mark for no contract, I think 10.10, and then those front months actually came up and hit 10.50 on the July contract. So some pressure really across the board for those grains. You did start out the day with some news that you had some more forecasts come in for more of a cut from Brazil and Argentina on the production side of things, but it just wasn't enough to gain that attention and keep soybeans on the positive side of things. It looks like on the weather forecast, everything's favorable for the next 6 to 10 days and probably about the 18-14 day, though that can change a little bit, but it's still looking favorable for planting. So you should really see this aggressive planting come back through. We are ahead of pace to begin with, so everything is going in the ground really well. There's some wet patches through the big I states, but for the most part, everything's looking really good. With the lower grain market, you did have higher trade in the meat market with live cattle, feeder cattle closing near $1 higher, lean hogs just slightly higher. That's the third day in a row you've had positive close on live cattle, feeder cattle. That hasn't happened in about a month now. So you're finally starting to see things come back together a little bit, even though those outside markets, they were very unfavorable with crude down hard, the Dow down over 100 points, and like I said, that dollar creep back up 20 cents higher isn't a big move, but when you started the day down 80 cents, that's where it came in to be a little bit of a bigger move. Other than that, you'll see if you can see technicals come in here and buy tomorrow. The market will really be watching that after you saw the reversal trade today. I do have to close the disclaimer. Trading in futures and options involves risk loss and may not be suitable for all producers. Have a great day.